So true. Anyone can be a superbot. Because there's something else I also like to say. You don't have to be an influencer to have influence. You have influence in your own circles. You have influence over your children. You have influence over your family. Anyone that you love can be influenced by you. And if you start positive ripples, and so positive ripples will keep on going and going and going. You don't need 1 million followers to do that. And that's something that can start with you at home, because the best you can start now. Okay? So, is everyone ready to meet the ambassadors? I know, I am too. But before we step into this new chapter, why don't we take a little trip down memory lane with their stories? Please sit tight and watch this. Let's not keep you waiting any longer. Get your cameras ready for one of Century Tuna's newest brand ambassadors, Mr. Richard Gomez. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Richard Gomez, who will be joined by yet another Century Tuna ambassador. So please, once again, sit tight and watch his journey. answer your questions. But for now, I want to talk to you guys about health. You know, when it comes to tuna and being healthy, there's only one brand that comes to mind, and that is Century Tuna. And what I love most about Century Tuna is that it has this rich flavor that does not sacrifice any health benefits. It's good for you and it's delicious, okay? It is also one of the best and easiest choices to make if you're aiming to be the best you. Isn't that right? And now for the first time ever, let's all take a look at Century Tuna's latest television ad.
Do that, boys. One for the street. And also to back it up. If you get bombs, get it there. Of course, for us, Century Tuna makes eating right so easy. My protein, one muscle. And that'll take a big shape. Helps you lose belly fat. Or in just one. 50 pounds down and more to go. Put down. Don't stop now. Feel your feet right every day. Century Tuna, not so super hard.
How do you like that? Century Tuna's newest ad, La Asma Superbod. We took dad bods and brought them to a whole new level because they're still dads and they've got amazing bods thanks to Century Tuna. Okay? And now we're going to be taking a little deeper dive into getting to know our brand ambassadors. So if you could please join me on stage, another round of applause for Richard Gomez and Adam Mulak.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Sandali lang. Tanggalin ko yung forma sandali.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, good to be back.
This best you ever is also authentic. Very good. Now, we are so excited to have you both here with us today.
Thank you.
To get to know you guys a little bit more. Based off of that ad, how do you feel? I want to know your first thoughts about seeing the TVC for the first time.
I'm so happy to see the ad. I know we look good. I knew it was sexy.
Yes.
And we were ready. We were ready for that.
Yes, that was great. And what about you?
Yeah, I kind of feel there was always pressure, but I'm happy. You guys just don't know kung yung dream ito, but it's still ongoing. But I want to thank Century. Masaya. You know, una-una sa lahat, masaya ako na kasama ko sa Richard. First time namin na kasama sa isang ad. In the 90s, you know, he had his own world, and I had my own, you know. Tapos ngayon, nakakatuwa na, yung pag-ikot ang mundo talaga. Sa dulo na kasama rin kami. Together. Para pinag-relax, magpapayan kayo muli. So ito kami, masaya kami na we were able to do that. Century, thank you very much.
No, it was fun for me talaga. Paano kasi, it was really a challenge. You know, when we started this, I don't know if you have photos of when we started. Medyo we were on the bigger side. Right? But that was really a challenge that was given to us by Century. So si Aga had to lose weight. Ako rin had to lose weight. And it was not easy, but it was fun.
Masaya siya. alam niyo naman siguro lahat, ano? Parang in the 90s, 2000, 2010, 2015, yung mga katawan namin. And then, that was history, no? And then, ako ako ng 260 pounds like that, mga katawan. And I'm 5'8", 5'9", 5'10", and 5'8". When I was younger, I was taller. For some strange reason, ngayon, nung sumat ako, 5'8", siguro yung weight na dinala ko for how many years, binaba yung height ko. So, gano'n, 260 pounds ang inabot ko. So, sa amin napakalaki kung bagay na nangyari na ito. No? So, really, century, thank you very much for challenging us. And thank you for having us here. Maraming salamat. And we are also the happiest week I've worked with a good friend of mine, Mr. Richard Gomez.
So is that what motivated you guys to like jump to the challenge? Like knowing that the two of you would be together?
It was fun kasi nag-usap kami ni Aga. The last project we did together, no, when we were younger, may ginawa tayong movie before, isa Regal.
Sa liga, episode, man.
O, episode.
Oo. Mga lost days dati pa yun. Kasi may prank kami, 90s talaga yung prank namin. Yung prank namin, nag-iwanay na kami yan eh. Parang ganun ang story niya. May Richard Gomez niya, pero tall, dark, and handsome. Yan, di ba? Rocky. Ako. Yun.
Two different brands.
Di ba na, two different brands.
Yes, two different brands of answer.
And now together in one brand.
Yeah, don't you love that? So let's talk a little bit about your fitness motivations. What motivated you guys to keep going? Because how long was that, like 10 months?
About almost 10
About
months,
almost
yeah.
10 months.
You know what was difficult was starting it.
Oh, yes.
We're not teenagers anymore. So hindi na kami teenagers. We're a little older than teenagers. So, but the challenge came in, sabi namin, kaya ba natin to? And then if you keep on watching IG, if you keep on watching information, the older you get, the more fit you have to be.
Yes,
Right?
that's true.
Yes.
That's
Eating
absolutely
the right
true.
food, doing the proper exercises, and keeping an active lifestyle is very important to longevity. Kasi yun naman yung gusto namin ni Aga eh. Di ba? Gusto namin makita pa natin hindi. Gusto ko makita yung anak natin.
Yo, that's right. Yeah, that's what they say, right? Like, I saw a quote online that said, you will die for the people that you love, right? But will you live for them?
Oh, you have to.
Right? Will you live for them?
Tsaka, siguro sa lahat, madami mga ka-relate ito ng mga overweight or struggling sa mga ganyan. It was difficult. All these years, I was always in hiding. I would have been more busier if not for my weight. I hit 260, which ang dapat kong weight is 170. So now I'm down to 200. So I have 30 more to go. Sinabi lang namin, mas nakapasang sa iyo ang weight ko. Sometimes nakaka-street parang sa akin. Ang ganito sa akin ito. Kung labas natin din, nakahugad tayo. Diba? Pero sabi namin, let's see that for next year.
Gumuguhit pa lang ulit eh. Hindi na sila yung more time para lalo ba na pa-sideways pa. Pababa pa lang eh.
Kumukunti na eh. Diba? Saka iba rin ang masasyon kapag natin. Pag nakakita mo. Pero nakakatuwa talaga, you guys, sa lahat ng mga tao na sa labas dito, sa loob, there's no deadline, just gotta do it really. And when you learn about it again, mahirap magtagok sa buhay dahil sa katawan natin. Yung insecurities, marami pa rin itong magiging ng backstage sa atin. But we deserve it. Pinabayaan natin ang katawan natin. But I'm just happy that we're here now. We're halfway there. Sabi ng goals, di ba? We're getting there. We're getting there.
So, more than anything, we've always been active. No?
I was just about to ask, actually.
I
Yes.
very much into cycling. It bikes a lot. I play a lot of badminton. I still do my fencing thing. this was really a chance to lose more weight. Kasi I reached a point na yun yung mga 36 ko na pantalon, pinaningin ko na eh. Oo, because lumaki na ako eh. Naging 38, sabi ko 38, sabi ko na ito. And then reached a point na tumitingin na ako sa 39, 40.
Inabot ko yun, Dobbs.
40 ko. Teka, 40 buti lang dumating siya today. Kasi today, 34 sinusuot ko eh.
Di ba? Green yun eh.
May proof ka na. You wanna check it out?
Huwag mo lang pa-check. Sasabihin ko pa naman 30 years old ko.
So, super bad talaga, diba? What a challenge it was.
Yung super bot na yan, happens every 3 years ba yan? Every 2. Interesting.
Ano, next one.
Next year ba yan? Next year. Wow! Wait, I lost 50 pounds. What's another 52 years?
Yun.
Super bad. Tumatayo ko na yun.
No, you gain it again, pero in muscle naman.
Oh yes! Hindi! Super bad. Lalabas ka naman ng gawa. Yung dami namin katawan. Ganun.
Oh yeah, it was.
You know.
Once a super bud, forever a super bud. Yes. Actually, that's where I first met the both of you. At the super buds judging table.
Super dad muna kami ngayon. Super dad.
Still super dads din. So speaking of that, how have your families responded to your new fitness journey?
Oh, you know my wife, when she saw me lost weight, sabi niya, please don't gain weight again. Sabi niya, alam mo, gwapo ka. Mas gwapo ka na yun. Kulang pa yan. Hindi pa naman kasi tunay ko, gwapuhan ko naman. Kaya konti pa, little more. But really, more than looking good, it's really feeling better. Diba? Feeling better, feeling healthier, stronger. Yeah. And I'm almost 50. Like,
You know what?
I'm almost there.
Almost 50. 44 na ako.
No, but really, I'm over 50. I'm over 50. But one thing I realized at this age, you really have to work out more.
Yes.
You have to get your muscles up. And again, it feels better. I feel stronger.
It does, right? So do you guys have any advice for everyone here watching us now, our friends in media, people taking videos, we'll be posting this as well. What is your advice that helped you stay the course in your fitness journeys?
Sa akin, I think it's really just enough of that hiding, enough of those promises that next year we start doing it. Kumbaga now, para ngayon, sinasabi, it's, pa-Christmas na. Sasabihin na naman natin, palalabasin ko ng Christmas, January, I'll start again, diba? No, just do it now. Start now.
Yeah, why wait?
Tama na yung Christmas, bibili mo na naman lahat. It's a lifestyle really. So we really changed off lifestyle. And I'm happy that my wife also was very supportive. And siya yung gentle reminder ko always na talagang medyo nagkaroon ako ng eating disorder for a while. Talagang binge ako, binge. So minsan hanggang kayo lumalabas pa yun. And she would stop me. Sinasabi niya na, tama na yan, di ba? Parang, alam mo na yung pinanggalingan mo. Huwag ka na bumalik din doon, di ba? Ang sinasabi ko naman, nakita mo naman ako naman, di ba? Nang tayo mga bata.
Yun.
Pag nakita mo ulit siya, Galing tayo. Sabi ko, siguro yung asawa namin, gusto nyo ba kayo gumabi ka naman namin?
Alam mo, yun yung sinabi ko kay Lucy. Alam mo, sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo Lucy, ang problema nito. Kaya Your mental health. Hindi na pahirapan.
I love it. So very sensitive to the feelings of your families. That's beautiful. And we will get to know our ambassadors a little bit more later. So I urge you all to start thinking of your questions for our question and answer portion. Yes, we do. Hindi pa tapos. Because we have another segment right now.